your first form, log into the Forms on Fire Cloud platform at secure.formsonfire.com. Navigate to Apps, then Screens. In the upper right-hand corner, click on Add New. Go ahead and give your form a name. Don't forget, you can choose an icon. Once you're ready, click on the green Create button. This form is designed with only a single page. We're going to call it Location Information. Let's go ahead and add some fields like building name, address, city, state, and zip code. We'll add a date field at the top, and by default, it will select today's date. Next, we will add a GPS field, a photo field, a signature field, and a button to upload the form. When the user clicks Upload, the data will be sent from the mobile device to the Forms on Fire Cloud platform. Now, we're going to make a couple of color changes and add some questions for the checklist form. Is the building safe? Is the building dry? And is the building clean? Finally, we'll deploy the form into test mode for only our user so as not to interrupt what other users see on their mobile device. Now, let's move over to our mobile device and log into the Forms on Fire mobile application. We will see our construction checklist form as soon as we're logged into the app. Simply click on the form and give it a try. Once you've finished filling out the form, press Upload and the data will be sent to the Forms on Fire Cloud platform. To find your data, log into the Forms on Fire Cloud platform and navigate to Data Entries. Go ahead and click on Table View. Select the form data you want to view, and there you will see your complete database of your form entries. For any single entry, you can get a quick view of the data. To export all items you want to see, check the checkbox and press Manage Data. Thanks for joining me today for another Forms on Fire tutorial video. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel, Mobile Forms that Work Beautifully.